Syria has been conducting a national polio vaccination campaign since Sunday, a very important move at a time when Washington and its European allies are intensifying their coercive measures against the Arab nation. From Damascus, our correspondent Hisham Wanas has the story.
Authorities report that the vaccination program will last until October 15 and is expected to reach 2.8 million children aged between 1 and 5 throughout the country, a difficult task that the health authorities of Syria are carrying out amidst the precautionary measures due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
We sterilized the instruments, the beds and the rooms in the entire center. We also took the temperatures of the children and their families, and we demanded that they wear masks, and we applied social distancing, and to avoid conglomerations, each family received the vaccination in turn at a fixed time. We thank the Syrian government and especially the Ministry of Health for all its administration, and we truly value that in spite of the sanctions, the necessary vaccines are guaranteed for our children, even when it is not possible to import them due to the blockade.
This campaign involves over 8,800 workers in hundreds of healthcare centers, and thousands of outpatient teams are responsible for bringing the free service to children across the country, an effort that is highly regarded by Syrian families in the midst of an unjust and inhumane Western blockade, which, as they denounce, puts the lives of their children at risk.
We held a prior campaign to raise awareness and offer information that lasted a week. So we have determined where the outpatient teams will be stationed, so that citizens can come to vaccinate their children without difficulty. The Ministry of Health spares no effort to guarantee the vaccines by all means, and to make sure they reach children wherever they are, and in case of a lack of vaccines, the vaccination is postponed but not suspended, since our priority is to protect citizens' health, and thus we fulfill our task in spite of the difficult circumstances that the country has been experiencing for almost 10 years.
Syria was declared free of polio in 1995. However, according to Damascus, in 2013, several cases of Pakistani origin were detected, brought into the country by foreign terrorists in the northeastern Syrian province of Deir ez-Zor, to politicize this issue and justify a Western military intervention in the country under false humanitarian excuses, an attempt that was doomed to failure thanks to the free vaccination provided by the Syrian government, which has not stopped despite the war and the blockade.